What if the biggest opportunity in cryptocurrency isn't buying coins? It's building businesses around it. People often think about prices and trading when hearing crypto. However, there's a vibrant ecosystem with payments, software, security, and more. Major technological shifts create chances for entrepreneurs to solve problems. Today, we'll explore 10 cryptocurrency-related business models. These range from small service businesses to scalable technology companies. Let's dive in. One opportunity is crypto education and training. There's a growing need for clear, understandable cryptocurrency education. Potential customers include beginners, small business owners, and investors seeking knowledge. You can offer online courses, workshops, or corporate training sessions. Revenue could come from course sales and workshops. Important: teach concepts, not promises of guaranteed profits. Trust and credibility are crucial. Next, consider crypto content and media. The crypto industry is complex, creating demand for quality information. Think about starting YouTube channels, podcasts, or newsletters. Customers seek accurate insights on blockchain, regulation, and more. Remember, your advantage should be accuracy, not just viral headlines. Another area is blockchain development services. Blockchain developers create software for blockchain networks. Potential services include smart contract development and payment systems. Companies may hire developers lacking internal expertise. Key skills include programming and cybersecurity. Technical quality and security are essential. Next, we have crypto security services. Digital assets face unique security challenges. Consider offering wallet security consulting or security audits. This business relies on trust, expertise, and reputation are vital. Then there's crypto accounting and financial reporting. Businesses dealing with digital assets face accounting complexities. You can help with transaction records and tax document preparation. Regulations vary by country. Stay updated with local laws. Crypto payment solutions is another opportunity. Help businesses accept digital payments efficiently. Services could include payment integration and transaction management. Owners often want an easy payment system, not technical details. Next up is blockchain data and analytics. Public blockchain networks generate vast amounts of data. You can provide analytics dashboards or research tools. Your real value is turning complex data into actionable insights. Then we have crypto compliance and risk technology. Companies in digital assets need compliance solutions. Your business could offer identity verification and regulatory reporting tools. This requires legal and technical knowledge. Another area is blockchain infrastructure. Focus on providing developer tools or cloud-based services. If applications are buildings, infrastructure is the foundation. This requires substantial technical expertise but can be valuable. Lastly, explore tokenization and real-world asset technology. Tokenization represents rights in assets through digital tokens. Possible areas include financial assets and collectibles. Legal ownership and regulations matter when managing tokenized assets. Now, which crypto business should you choose? Evaluate these 4 questions. 1. What problem can you solve for crypto users? 2. Which skills do you already have? 3. Who are your potential customers? 4. Can you operate legally within your area? Avoid common mistakes. Don't build something no one needs. Don't chase fleeting trends. Stay aware of regulation and compliance. Never underestimate security needs. Ensure your business offers lasting value, not just reliance on token prices. Emerging industries offer layers of opportunity. Some invest, others develop, educate, or provide infrastructure. Interesting businesses solve real problems for customers. For more insights on crypto and business opportunities, subscribe to Finance Flow. The next big opportunity might not be something you buy, it might be something you build. In a world buzzing with transactions and volatility, the question remains: how can you carve out your niche in this digital frontier? Take the time to truly understand the needs of your target audience, as their challenges can guide your entrepreneurial journey. Community engagement will not only enrich your knowledge but also foster trust within the crypto space. Emphasizing education over mere speculation can set a strong foundation for your business and lead to long-term success in this evolving landscape. Make sure your offerings are grounded in real value and practical solutions for those navigating the complexities of cryptocurrency. Before diving into specific business models, it's essential to appreciate the innovative spirit driving the cryptocurrency world. Beyond the mere exchange of currencies, this sector thrives on problem solving, allowing entrepreneurs to harness technology for transformative ventures. Consider how diverse challenges in areas like finance, security, and compliance create fertile ground for new ideas. Whether you're inclined towards technical development or educational outreach, the opportunities are ripe for those ready to step up and contribute meaningful solutions. Your unique insights and skills could shape the future of this dynamic industry. As we explore the various business models within the cryptocurrency space, we can recognize the important role that education plays. The demand for knowledgeable professionals who can simplify complex information is on the rise. Each opportunity not only allows you to create a viable business but also to empower others, fostering a community that thrives on informed decisions and mutual success. By addressing these needs thoughtfully, your venture can contribute to a more sustainable and collaborative crypto environment. As we delve deeper, keep an open mind to the myriad ways your expertise can intersect with the evolving landscape. As we unpack the possible avenues in cryptocurrency entrepreneurship, let's reflect on the power of education. Offering resources that demystify blockchain technology can ignite interest in potential customers who may feel overwhelmed by the subject. By crafting engaging and insightful content that bridges knowledge gaps, you can position your business as a trusted ally, guiding newcomers toward understanding the vast landscape of digital currencies and assets. The rewards of being an educator in this space not only benefit your business but also enhance the overall literacy of the community, paving the way for more responsible practices and innovative ideas. One promising venture to consider in the realm of cryptocurrency entrepreneurship is crypto education and training. With an ever-growing demand for clear and digestible information about digital currencies, there exists a significant opportunity for entrepreneurs to offer structured learning experiences. This could take the shape of online courses designed for beginners eager to grasp the fundamentals, or specialized workshops tailored to small business owners looking to integrate crypto into their operations. By providing practical knowledge and expertise, you not only empower your clients but also cultivate trust through transparency and accuracy in the educational content you deliver. Such a business model thrives on the principle of teaching essential concepts while avoiding the pitfalls of making unrealistic profit promises, ensuring your reputation remains intact in this competitive landscape. Another lucrative opportunity in the cryptocurrency landscape lies within crypto content and media. As individuals and businesses seek clarity in an industry rife with complexities, the demand for quality content has surged. By establishing platforms such as blogs, podcasts, or channels dedicated to delivering insightful knowledge, you can address inquiries about blockchain, regulations, and emerging trends. Focusing on accuracy and reliability will set your offerings apart from superficial, attention-grabbing headlines, transforming your platform into a respected source of information for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Building a community around your content will foster engagement and loyalty among your audience, leading to potential revenue streams from sponsorships, advertisements, or subscriptions. Another noteworthy area for entrepreneurial pursuit is blockchain development services. In a world increasingly reliant on digital networks, the need for expertly crafted software to support blockchain technology is paramount. By offering services such as smart contract programming or payment system integration, you can cater to companies looking to bolster their tech capabilities. As industries across various sectors adapt to this technology, your ability to deliver reliable, innovative solutions will not only enhance your clients' operations but also distinguish your business in a rapidly evolving market. In this vibrant and dynamic cryptocurrency landscape, the potential for entrepreneurial success lies not just in understanding the technology, but in identifying critical needs within the community. By embracing education, accuracy, and innovation, you can build a sustainable business that thrives on value and trust, ensuring a positive impact on the future of digital currencies.